Transistor bc547. LED 5mm. LED positive side connecting with transistor collector pin. $100K resistance. Resistance one side connecting with LED negative side. Resistance second side connecting with transistor base pin. $10K resistance. 10K resistance connecting with transistor base pin. Connecting wire. Wire one side connecting with 10K resistance second side and wire second side connecting with transistor emitter pin. $5V supply. Let's break the wire.